Last year, cybercrime losses hit $20.9 billion in the US alone. Phishing was the most reported attack for the second year running. This year, 1 in 3 people will click on a phishing link. The next few minutes will ensure you're not one of them. Look at this link. This is the kind of URL phishing emails actually use nowadays. It's fake. It's not Microsoft. And if you don't know what to look at, it looks exactly like Microsoft. Let's break it apart. The URL starts with HTTPS. The S stands for secure. Browsers show a little lock icon to represent this. For 2 decades, people were taught, if there's a lock, the site is safe. That's not true anymore. Anyone can get a free HTTPS certificate in about 30 seconds. Phishing sites have lock icons too. The lock means your connection is encrypted. It does not mean the site is honest. The protocol tells you nothing useful. Skip it. Now look at the next part. Login.microsoft.com. Your brain reads this and stops. Microsoft login looks right. This is exactly what the attacker wants, because everything before the real domain is just subdomains. They can put anything they want there. For example, login.microsoft.com or anything else that will make you feel safe. These are not real domains. They're decoration. In fact, you have to read a URL from right to left to find the truth. If you do so, there it is. security-verified.cf. That is the website you're about to visit. Not Microsoft, not even close to Microsoft. A domain called Security Verify registered on .cf, the country code for the Central African Republic, one of the free domain extensions phishers love because anyone can register them without ID. The real domain is the last 2 parts before the first single slash. Everything to the left of that is window dressing. Everything to the right is the path on the attacker's site. That's the rule. Memorize it. To close up, let me show you something else. Look closely at these 2 links. These look the same. Well, they are not. One of those is using a Cyrillic C instead of a Latin C. Different character, different Unicode point, and therefore different domain. Visually identical to a human, but completely different to a computer. Modern browsers detect this and sometimes warn you. Email clients often don't. This trick is called a homoglyph attack, and in 2026, it's the hardest type of phishing link to spot. Well, that's because there's nothing to spot. The text looks exactly right. The defense? Don't trust links. Type the address yourself. If an email says log into your Microsoft account, close the email, open a new browser tab, and type Microsoft.com yourself. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so you don't miss any future deep dives into the weird corners of cybersecurity. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.